All right, guys, we're going to do the last problem together because I was running out of space last time and I wanted to get the answer, so I used Alexa. I really want you guys to understand tools like multiplication charts, calculators, Alexa, Siri, all that stuff is great for checking your answers and staying on track, but not a way to just do your math, okay? You have to learn this because on a test you really need to know how to do this. So let's walk through these steps using the standard algorithm. I've set up the problem for you. When you're multiplying with decimals, you don't have to line up the decimals, but when you add and subtract with decimals, you do. So that's something to remember. We'll talk about that later. Multiply. 5 times 4 is 20, right? Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 times 0 is 0. So the 1 comes down here. 9 times 5 is, you guys know what 9 times 5 is? Just to check, make sure you double, triple check, 45. 9 times 5 is 45. And sometimes I like to use different colors when I'm doing my math, just so that if all this messy stuff doesn't get all mixed up. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 4, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right. And 9 times 0 is 0. And you bring down the 2. So it becomes 0, 5, 3, 2, and your decimals. You have 3 places behind the decimal. So you're basically counting all the spaces behind the decimal when you put your decimal points in and you count from this side. So 1, 2, 3, and that's where your decimal goes. 2.350. 2.35, okay? So remember, we got that answer. So take this opportunity to learn by watching, and notice how careful I have to be to line up my numbers and keep all my stuff in order. And with these annotation tools, you can see how challenging it is if your workspace is not neat and tidy. So in an ideal world, I would have a big whiteboard and I'd be showing it to you in a better way. But this is what we're dealing with right now. Okay? All right, guys. Great work. And I will be seeing more of you soon.